This is Juris Metro Station on the Paris Metro, and it's lifts all the time. This metro station has 4 lifts, and these lifts run as automatic lifts, so you don't press any buttons when you go in them. The lifts just go automatically up and down between the 2 floors they go between. And all 4 of these lifts go between all 3 floors, but the lifts are set so each individual lift only goes between 2 floors. This is a really weird system. All 4 of these lifts go from the lowest level, which is the underground, line 7B, then exit level, then line 2 up on the viaduct, and the lifts are actually 2 sets of 2 lifts. So one set of 2 lifts goes up to the eastbound side of line 2 on the viaduct, and the other set of lifts goes up to the westbound side of line 2 up on the viaduct. Down on line 7B, the lifts don't actually go all the way down to a platform, they just go down to a passageway where you go along, then down some stairs down to a platform line 7B. And now we go along to the first lift, and how they set up these lifts is just so weird. It's just such a bizarre arrangement they've got here. This lift is set to go between exit level and the eastbound of line 2, and it only goes between these 2 levels. It runs automatically up and down all day. It never goes down to line 7B. Even though a lift shaft goes to all levels, it's just such an odd arrangement. Let's ride it. And now we go to the lift, which is back to this one. This lift is set to go between the underground line 7B non-stop all the way up to line 2 eastbound on the viaduct. And there is no lift that goes from line 7B up to exit level. If you want to do this, you have to go from line 7B up the lift all the way up to line 2 on the viaduct, then across the other lift, then down to exit level. Really odd. Anyway, let's ride the lift that goes non-stop from 7B up to line 2. And now we go across to the other set of 2 lifts that go up to the westbound side of line 2. Now to the first lift. This is the lift that goes to an exit level and the westbound line 2 up on the viaduct. I'd really like to see the controls of these lifts. It must be really odd. The controls are behind a lock cabinet, and the lock is actually a proper key lock. It's not a triangle key, which means I can't open it. Oh, I'd so much love to see these controls. It must be really weird. I'd really like to know if there's a mode that these lifts could go in where they automatically go to every floor. Anyway, let's ride this lift. And now we go to the lift, which is back to this one. This is a lift that goes from line 7B all the way non-stop up to line 2 westbound. And now, as the two lifts in these two sets are back to each other, at the back of each lift there is a door, and this door is so you can rescue passengers from the other lift if one of the lifts breaks down. So if one of the lifts breaks down, you then drive the other lift manually to the position that lift is at, open up the rear doors, and then the passengers can walk between the two lifts. Except it no longer works in practice, because some idiot has added a metal grill between the two lifts, so you can no longer do this. But despite this, the door actually still works, and you can open it up with triangle key. Let's do this.